For over 4,000 years, it has stood in silence. A monument so perfect, so massive, even today its making remains a riddle. At dawn, quarrymen enter the limestone cliffs beneath a burning Egyptian sky. Copper meets stone. Dust blooms golden. The mountain begins to yield. Knotted ropes and plumb lines mark flawless rectangular boundaries in the rock. Dry wooden wedges are driven deep, then soaked until pressure splits the seam. A perfect block breaks free. Smooth, rectangular, identical to the rest. Furnaces roar, bellows breathe. Artisans reforge copper like flowing fire. Edges are trued with chisels and pounding stones. Surfaces tested with bowls of still water. Red ochre symbols brand each finished block. Proud signatures of the work gangs. Sledges are built, ropes lash tight. The caravan forms on wet sand. Water is poured ahead so runners glide. Friction falls. Rhythm rises. Heels dig deep. Voices roll in steady cadence. The desert answers with thunder. Wooden rollers turn beneath the weight. Hands sprint to place the next. The Nile appears, a blue mirror cutting life through gold. Goat hides cinch around stone. Trapped air makes the giant float. Flat barges nudge along hand-cut canals, guided by poles and shore ropes. Mud sluice gates open and close, holding the current at their command. The barges nose onto Giza's shore. Blocks slide to waiting sledges. Campfires breathe at dusk. Men rest beside mountains they will raise. Ramps of mud, rubble, and timber climb toward the unfinished sky. Teams haul 15 tons upward. One heartbeat, one shouted cadence at a time. Water channels slick the ramp. Sledges slip forward under careful control. A spiral ramp wraps the growing core. Dust swirls around the curve. Higher up, long levers and stone fulcrums lift inches that become tiers. Hidden corridors bend within. Torchlight flickers on rope and sweating faces. Platforms are braced with wet mud and crushed stone. The structure stiffens. Blocks nudge into place. Mallets tap corners flush. Joints fade to hairlines. A rhythm emerges. Pull, lever, place. Order conquers weight. The horizon changes. A man-made mountain rises from disciplined effort. Surveyors stretch rope along the base to square the earth itself. Trenches brim with still water, revealing the perfect level. After dusk, priests sight Thuban. North is fixed by patient stars. Merket plumb lines tremble. Sacred angles are recorded with care. At sunrise, a staff's shadow walks the sand. East and west made visible. Casing faces are chipped and polished until sunlight runs like liquid. Corners are checked with taut ropes. 90 degrees becomes a vow. Copper mirrors paint a beam along each edge to test straightness. Evening shadows sweep the base. Numbers match. Symmetry holds. From above, 4 luminous planes converge with near-divine precision. Artisans scale the slopes, polishing Tura limestone to a blinding sheen. Seam by seam, the outer skin becomes smooth, radiant, utterly uniform. The capstone waits, coated in electrum. A small sun on a wooden cradle. Ropes thread through wooden frames. Crews set their feet and breathe. The final stone rises slowly. Chants deepen. Every rope sings with strain. At the apex, hands guide light into place. The desert holds its breath. Silence. Then one great cheer rolls outward like surf on sand. At noon, the pyramid burns gold. At dusk, it glows rose beneath the sky. At night, the entire white casing shines. Moonlight flows from base to peak. Though centuries have stripped its skin, the heart remains. Thoughtful proof we reached for eternity. Resolve.